Creating your Buy Button sales channel. Sign into your Lulu account and select My Stores from the top navigation. On your Lulu Direct dashboard, locate the Create Buy Button channel card and click Create Channel. Enter your store name. This is the name customers will see during checkout. If you have a website, add the URL, then click Connect Stripe. The first time you create a Buy Button channel, you'll be guided through Stripe to set up your payouts. Have your tax information and bank account details ready, then follow the prompts to complete verification. When you're finished, you'll be returned to Lulu Direct. Once Stripe has validated your account, you'll see that your Buy Button channel is active.